Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll open Goodnotes and navigate to the exact page you want recorded. Start now. Tap the media or toolbox icon, then choose the microphone record option so recording attaches to the page. If Goodnotes asks for microphone access, allow it. Otherwise, recording won't work. Make sure your device volume and microphone are functioning and position yourself in a quiet environment. Once done, press the red record button to begin, and use short pauses so your notes sync. You'll control the recording with pause and resume so you create meaningful segments rather than one long file. While recording or after, tap elements in your notes to create anchors or links to specific timestamps. This ties handwriting or typed text to the exact spot in the audio. Make sure to label each recording with a clear title, and if available, use thumbnails for quick visual recall. Once linked, tapping a note anchor will play from that moment, which speeds review and studying significantly. You'll finish by exporting or saving. Use Goodnotes export options to include audio with PDFs or create a backup to iCloud for safe storage. Make regular exports after long sessions so you don't risk losing notes or recordings. If audio isn't recording or playback stutters, check microphone permission in settings, confirm there's enough device storage, and update Goodnotes to the latest version. If problems persist, restart the app or device. That often clears temporary conflicts and restores normal recording behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.